Oh, YouTube, what's going on, bro? Look, what this is? Y'all tell me. Yes, it's a two-stroke bicycle. That's right, two-stroke bike. I done got my hands on a Schwinn two-stroke 50cc kitted bicycle. Yeah, that's what it is. This is my first time ever touching one of these, by the way. You're gonna see what it do, you know what I'm saying? So I see we got our standard two-stroke pipe over here, a little 50cc engine it looks like, and we got a little baby car smaller than my son's little 70cc out there. So it ain't been started, but it's a Schwinn. You know what I'm saying? Anyway. Oh yeah, you gotta squeeze the clutch in just to move it like a real bike. So yeah, some of these features what we got on this thing, pretty cool. Got a little light on there, of course, because you can ride it on the street at nighttime. Yeah, a little cell phone holder, a little accessory right there. Definitely got a mirror, seeing that back view. Well, what kind of? That's a horn, y'all. Calculator going off in them, Timberland going off in them. Sweetie Burger. Then over here, we got the throttle, just like a standard dirt bike. We got that throttle. Kill switch. Stop that thing on the dime. And over here, you have the clutch. So yeah, the bike won't engage unless you actually squeeze the clutch in. So yeah, man, this thing got a lot of similarities to a real dirt bike, or at least the system, the clutch and the gas and stuff like that. A little carb down there. I'm hoping we ain't gonna have to bust it open and clean it. So we don't got no gas in it as of right now.
It ain't got no gas in it.
40 to 1, 50 to 1 mixture right there. That actually smells like some goddamn lawnmower gas in that bitch. We got double chain action. We got chain on the left side of you right here with this Terminator 3 bracket arm built onto it. You got your regular standard mountain bike gearing. So we're gonna see what this two-stroke can do. Let's see today if we can get this thing started up, two smoking, and we're gonna try to hit them 7 gears. Y'all stay tapped in, man. We finna get that Schwinn in the wind. Yes, sir. So we have some of our fresh Pringles 40 to 1 mixture gas. The bike is ready to go, I hope, and we just gonna go ahead and pour it on in there and see what it do. That should be a 9. Some of that KTM juice, by the way. That's why I look like that. Yeah, I know. 2T.
Bruh.
Yes, sir. The carb is on. It's on. How's the gas pushing out? But I don't see nothing actually going through the flow. All right, y'all, I just stood the bike up straight and it started leaking. It was at that angle. See that kickstand got a nice little gap between the ground, so it's tilted. So yeah, I think the floats, it wasn't really going all the way up to the top like they should, but. All right, guys, we got the air in the tires, and yeah, let's go ahead and try to bump start it. That's basically what you're doing. So I looked on YouTube, because like I said, I never had one of these before. We basically just want to go ahead and open it up, I guess, to about right there. Just go ahead and give it a whack. It is what it is. I don't know. We tried it out, y'all. All right, y'all. So we're gonna try this procedure. Squeeze in the clutch. I gotta lower down that seat next because I ain't sure. But anyway, squeeze in the clutch like they said. I got the carb 10% open, and yeah, this is just wish for the best. I don't really know what to tell y'all. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully that spark ain't gone. But yeah. Two-stroke bicycle mission on the way right now. Wish me luck. All right. Okay, as y'all just heard, that mug got a little life in them, but you know what that sound like? Sound like it might be spark plug, so let's give it another run. I'm gonna give it a little harder bump start. Give it a little harder bump start this, y'all. It is what it is.
Hey!
getting some type of lie. They said buff started like a real dirt bike. Give it a little pedal, not too much excessively, just and a little bit of throttle. So I think that spark plug might be done, y'all. It ain't I just don't ride the street, but I'm gonna give it one more run. All right, third time the charm. I need some lucky charms. Yep, like I said, you heard how it sounded, so more than likely it's gonna be this spark plug, gonna be the cause of all this not firing up, so. I gotta hit this story out, so. Well, guys, had to run back up here to my favorite spot on earth, man. Yeah, you know, yeah. That spark plug some crap, y'all. See, it's probably just the thick. Yeah, y'all need y'all some parts. Y'all need anything dirt bike related. Yeah, man, anything. It's up here. Y'all be always asking me. Favorite, y'all. All right, we have the spark plug, man, as you see. Yeah, I think that other one, I don't think he was doing the job. Y'all ain't gonna hold you, man. All right, we got that new spark plug right here. I couldn't find my little one. All these little nuts around here. All these sockets around here. I couldn't find the one I wanted. Anyway, yep, looking about right, looking about right. Ready? All right, man, we're gonna go a little KTM juice. Drop that in there. Yes, sir. Get that thing to the brim. I want the full. Oh, shit. So I ain't just smelling gas the whole time I'm riding. Got that shit down on me.
Look at my video how to stand on the wood here. You can do that. But that's three, Magneto, CDI, and spark plug. But there's one people forget about. It's the kill.
All right, guys. It is the next day, and yeah, we couldn't get the bike started, man. So more than likely, I narrowed it down to either that Magneto or that CDI box. So it's a cheap fix. We're gonna go ahead and shoot it at that CDI box first. And I actually got it on the way, and I made that order, so as you can see, that thing is on the way, arriving in a little bit. It's almost here, so yeah, man, we waiting. We need that new CDI right there. Come with a spark plug and a little bolt on action, so yeah, man. Till then, I'm going here and tinker with it, cut off the old one, and get it prepared to go ahead and throw this new one in, so when they get here, we just a quick swap, and hopefully we get this thing to rock, man. Hit that like, subscribe, don't go nowhere, man. We finna keep it going, we finna keep it rolling, man. Stay tuned. Uh-oh, coming in from the store, what do I see? Yeah. It has arrived. Yes, so this is day 3. Yeah, so I had to go ahead and make that order. I realized that CDI was not it, and had to go ahead and do what we had to do. Ain't that right, McKee Tall? What's up, girl? Smell it? Where it come from? Where it come from? Let me know. Some bombs in there, some poisons in there, let me know. I won't tell them out. I get you. Get. Trying to run, man. You trying to run away, man. The pack is in. New CDI right there. Little spark plug they dropped off in there. All right, y'all, so you over here by the bike, and as you see, I already disconnected the old one. Got that new crispy John. Clamperoos. It definitely go on. Goddamn boots, goddamn. Deal with it and get the education. So the kill switch is not connected no more. We have new CDI box installed. Brand new spark plug we got from the store yesterday, and it came with a new spark plug. Everything taped off. Like I said, I didn't go down here into the magneto. That's where it's at. But they said 99 of the time it's this. Ooh, butterfly just flew in the scene. New life, new beginning. All right, y'all, I ain't gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get down this hill a little bit and just see if we can get some action. I'm gonna try that spark plug. Spark plug that came with it in there. Choke. A little bit up. Gas is on. Let's see, man. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Think we're gonna have to put this one to the rest for today, y'all. Ain't gonna cap. We done went through numerous testing. We done went and got spark plugs. New CDI box. I should have got the whole kit with the magneto, huh? But yeah, it's all good. We're gonna continue the project, man. This might be something cool just to have. Like I said, man, pull up to the track. A little camping event. When you out with the fam, we got something that's different, little vintage, you know what I'm saying? Two-stroke on the bike. So, yeah, man, it's gonna be something cool to keep around. Got light on it, like I said, horn, all that good stuff. So people definitely can see when you're coming on it. So it's good, man. We might keep this in the collection. But yeah, man, as of now, we still gotta get it up. So next step is getting the magneto to this guy. Go ahead and check over everything, and from there it should fire up, y'all. So I try to take a little shortcut, go to the CDI box route, and just hope you get some fire. I don't know, man. I might play with it a little bit more off camera and see. So stay tuned, man. Never know. Hey, tell a friend to come back and watch this with you again. It's your boy, YZ125, baby. I'm about to go eat. Holla at y'all. Give me some. Give me some.